Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share call recording audio files on iPhone. So the first thing is that it will be just a move in the home screen and find the iPhone notes. So you will just tap on iPhone notes, and here when you just open it, so here are some folders. So you will just find the call recordings as you seen in the second option, and I will be just move in get in. So this is the one call record in my notes. So I want to just share this call recording audio files on anyone, and I will just hold it, and here is the option is share note. So I will just tap on it simply. So from here you will just select the uh, WhatsApp contact, and you will be just send it directly. So that's it. So in this way you will just have to share the call recording audio files on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.